Hello, children. Yesterday you have learned the rounding of numbers. Today we are going to learn when there is a small twist of number 9 coming in the given place value. Okay, like when you are rounding off the tens in the number 12,995, first thing we have to do is to locate the tens, right? So here is the tens. After this tens, you take a small partition, and beyond this partition it is always 0 when you round. Yes or no? Can you see? Yeah. So after the partition, you see that the number to its right is 5 or 5 above. So this number will change to the next number. That means 9 will become 10, right? 10. So how can you write 10 here? Cannot, no? So what you have to do is, as you have done in maths, the carryover addition, you put 0 and add 1 to this. Again you get 10 here. Again you carry over this 1 to the next place value, and you get 1 plus 2 as 3. So 13,000 is your answer. Understood? Understood? So when there is a 9, you keep on carry over the 10 until you end up with the no carryovers. Okay, let us move on to the hundreds. First you locate the 100. Here is your 100. After that you put a partition. Beyond that numbers are converted to 0 for rounding, and if the number to its right is above 5, then you have to change the place value number. For that 9 becomes 10. Again I take 0 here and carry over 1 to the next place value, and this number will be changed to 3. 15,000. I hope you are getting this. Okay, now we have to do the thousands. Now we are going to round the thousands. Locate the 1,000 first. Okay, locate the 1,000 first. Put a small partition and round off all other numbers to 0 beyond the partition. And if the number after the place value which you have to round off is above 5, then you have to change this number plus 1. Okay, so this will directly be changed. Okay, children, here you don't have 9. No, you don't have to carry over. Don't confuse that you are putting 1 like this and all. Okay, you are just rounding this off, and this is added with 1, so you are directly getting 3 here. Okay, so in thousands you get directly 13,000, and this is the question in your textbook. Okay, remember, you can also do this exercise. Okay, and for further example, I have taken this number. Let us do this. So this you have to round in tens, this one in hundreds, and this one in thousands. Okay, so first when you are rounding off the tens, you have to locate the tens, put a small partition, 0 beyond that. If it is above or 5 above, then you have to change this number plus 1. So how do you change? 9 plus 1 will be 10, so you have to carry over this to the next place value. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3 will be 4, and 1400 is your answer. Okay, now hundreds. You are changing the hundreds. Locate the 100. Put a partition, round it off to 0. You take the right amount of 0. Okay, I mean right number of zeros. See, 2 place values to its right, so 2 zeros only. Here you have put a partition here, right? So only one place value to its right, so only 1 0. Remember, okay? Don't get confused, because see, under 9 also 1 0 comes. So don't get confused. So the partition should be clear. If you are going by this method, then your partition should be clear, and the number of place values to its right should match with the zeros. Okay, number of zeros. So anyway, 9, this 9 is beyond 5, so this number will change again. 9 plus 1 will be 10, so we carry over to the next number, and 4, bring this down. 14,000 is your answer. Okay, now here, look at here, thousands we are changing, rounding off. So where is the 1000? You locate the 1000, put a small partition, convert all the numbers to the right with the zeros, and see whether the number to the place values right is above 5. Then change this number plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10, so you are carrying it over and adding it with the 3, so it becomes 4. Bring this down. 1,40,000 is the answer for this. Okay, understood? No more confusions. You try this, and more of this number, play with making numbers with the 9 coming in the place values of which you have to round. Okay, try it. All the best.